Here are the four perspectives and the main concerns of each one. The financial perspective is concerned with the company's financial performance, its profitability, market growth, shareholder value. What do investors think of the company's financials? The customer perspective is focused on the value of the product or service, whether it's meeting the needs of its customers. What do customers think of the company's product or service? Internal business processes refer to those that are related to the product or service and that could be used to improve its quality and the efficiency of the entire system. What processes can increase quality and efficiency? The learning and growth perspective sometimes goes by the name organizational capacity, as it is in the example on the next slide. The learning perspective is focused on the organization's human capital, technology, and culture. All of the aspects of the organization that are essential to its high performance. How can the organization develop its employees in a way that provides a return on the investment in training?